we are at the Palava Warehouse, ready for another morning. This is where all the orders go from, all the action. Oh, and here's Zoe and Fred. So what do we have here?
We've got the new delivery of Spring Summer.
Which one's your favourite? Do you have a favourite?
I have to.
Oh, nice choices. So Botanical Garden and Abstract. Morning, Sam.
Morning.
What are you up to?
Just replying to some customer emails and then orders.
And this is where all the knitwear goes. We've got some lovely new knitwear. New Leah cardigans. Very excited about them. Oh, is that a bug I can spot? Little goldfish. Morning, Fred. Hi.